About this item, please note that the original battery connector of earphones in individual batches will be different, and you need to replace the connector yourself for Sony WH-1000XM3 WH-1000XM4 WH-XB900N WH-H910N WH-CH710N Bluetooth wireless noise cancelling stereo headset and part no SP624038 battery replacement. It can also be used in other 3.7-5V electronic products with power less than 4.44 WH-1200mah SP624038 rechargeable lithium-ion polymer battery, nominal voltage 3.7V, full charge voltage 4.2V, capacity 1200 mAh, power 4.44 Wh, size 1.535 x 1.574 x 0.244 inch, 40 x 38 x 6 mm.